so long. I'm not sure how I feel about it. And it's because I have on another jacket underneath. So it's puffing this part out a little bit. Oh, I'm not really sure about it. Maybe I wear it like that, huh? What do you think? Anyway, so I'm just about to head out to Canary Wharf to meet up with one of my friends and her husband and check out the light show that's in Canary Wharf. So let's go do that. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. It is a sunny day in London and I'm so excited to get outside. I was kind of like, I could get away with like not doing anything today, but I saw this guy and I'm like, oh, I'm so excited. There's a lot of things that I'm going to check out today. I'm going to this gallery that has this light exhibition on. We'll see how that goes during the day. I'm hoping that the windows are like opaque so we could see it. I think it is. Because I didn't get a chance to do it last night and I don't really know. I have a birthday party to go to later, so I'm not going to get to it, I think. Maybe we'll see how it goes. Like if around 4 o'clock it's dark because it's still winter, then I might check it out. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go to another gallery in Central just to see what's there. I've been meaning to go for a couple months now, and then I just want to go on a little photo walk around the King's Cross area. There's a barge that sells books called Books on the Water, and I know it's very popular and famous, but I have no content on it and I want to take a couple photos of it. So I'm gonna go in there and check it out and bring you along with me. I wanted to talk a bit about last night. It was just like such a fun, wholesome evening. I told my friend that I would be out in Canary Wharf area. So if she was around, you know, can grab a beer or so. I wanted to do something a bit chill, but also not, and I didn't want to go crazy because it's such a short weekend for me in London, and I didn't want to do anything crazy, but I didn't want to stay home either. So I knew there was that light show going on in Canary Wharf that I showed you in previous clips. So I met up with my friend and her husband, and I think his either niece or his cousin, who's a teenager, and yeah, she loved it. And I'm like, oh, like this is such a good wholesome idea, a wholesome evening. So yeah, it was a good time. But then we ate after. We had burgers at Patty and Bun after, which was really good. Okay, like good, certified by an American. So yeah, because I think sometimes I think it's hard to find a good burger outside of the US or like the South. So that's just my opinion. Don't come at me. I got home relatively early and I went to bed at a reasonable hour. So I'm very happy. My old lady heart is satisfied. So we'll see what we get up to today. Whew, I'm out of breath. Major detour because I popped into a thrift store near me. They call them charity shops over here. And I found some amazing pieces. I'm gonna show you what I bought. First and foremost, I will say that my paycheck is not the largest in this country. So I have to be realistic and practical about my spending and shopping habits. So occasionally I pop in to a thrift store to see what they have in case I need anything, any practical items and stuff. So no, I don't resell any of this. I actually use all my things that I buy. Oh, I'm so excited to show you, so let's get into it. First thing is I work up north and I found this like, not ski jacket, but like this weatherproof jacket. Hello? It's like double layered with fleece lined. I'm pretty sure, I suspect that up here is a hood. Yeah, it's a hood that's rolled in, so waterproof. Oh my god, this is perfect. I work up North Yorkshire, and the weather is a bit moody sometimes, so this is perfect for that and for country walks in the North York moors. Oh my god. And then we have this jean jacket that I think would be perfect for spring, summer, because even though last summer was really hot, it still is like considered a cold country. And the summers are supposed to be mild anyway, where it's like cold, like a little bit chilly at night. So this is perfect for that. And then I got this Zara jacket that needs to be cleaned a bit. And I think, again, this would be good for like fall, even spring. I turned off the lamp so you can get a good view of the color. This is like perfect for that. And I also was looking for a new coat for the longest time for winter, but I don't know if it's one that would like really be very like warm, so I think it would be good in the fall and the spring. Then I got this wool. It says wool. It says machine washable lamb's wool, which is again perfect for working up north because I dress down. I wear sweaters and jeans, and the sweaters have to be good quality or else I literally freeze my butt off. So I'm so excited for that. This labelless turtleneck that like just looks so classy and it feels amazing. I have no idea where it's from, but it feels incredible. So this is like nice for going out for this season. So yeah, that's my little thrift store haul. I'm so excited to wear all this stuff. Like I have so many outfits in mind now. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited. just came from Houston Station. I don't know if you can hear me, but I think I'm in like a UCL, University College London campus, because it's so quiet, like filled with students, and I feel like a little safe. But yeah, I just came out of Houston Station, and like that was the most confusing station to ever get out of. I got so lost. Anyway, I'm going to take myself out to a place called Burr & Co. And it looks like it has like really low ratings, so we'll see about it. I tend to not trust the ratings because I mean, it could be for any number of reasons. So yeah, we'll see about it. I'm gonna treat myself to a little lunch, even though I complain about not having money. Hopefully it's not too expensive. I had to get out of Mayfair because I was like so hungry, but I'm like, I cannot afford eating out in Mayfair, so I have to leave it. I was gonna go to Coal Drops Yard for food, but I saw this on my saved places in Google Maps, so I'm just gonna go there. Square, and I'm like, I don't think I've ever spent time over here. I always know about it from the tube stop, but I don't know what I was thinking, like what was here. What's wrong with me?
My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like to know what you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy, I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, and I'm not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me, but I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Tell me everything, like how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy, I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back.
Okay, so the place that I wanted to go is not open. I guess it's only open on special occasions, but I'm in the back entrance of St. Pancras Church, and they have another Erection, but without the gates, so I'm gonna take some photos of that. Since that is not open, I'm gonna go to Word on the Water and just have a little stroll as I digest my lunch earlier than expected. At least I get to go home for the afternoon, so there's that. To Word on the Water, and I thought I had all this energy, but I'm totally crashing after my lunch, so I'm just gonna go home. Just got an Americano from Pret and am drinking it while I walk to a bus station, really, a bus stop, excuse me. So yeah, just drinking my coffee until I get to a bus stop. It doesn't matter which one, so I'm just following the line. guys, it is Sunday and I am just wrapping up some last minute items before I have to hop on a train to work. I work up north. I work in North Yorkshire during the week, and I am catching a train at like 3 p.m. and usually I have to finish my edits and figure out anything else that I'm doing for social media before I hop on a train for a few hours. So yeah, I have an ad going up soon and like all these things, so I'm trying to rush around and shoot for that because my lighting in my hotel room is not going to be very good. So and right now I'm just like on my computer over here. I'm just trying to organize myself. So yeah, we are getting there. Just wanted to wrap up this vlog. I went to a friend's birthday party last night. It seems like everybody's birthday party was in this month, really. So yeah, I had a good time. We went to Sunday in Brooklyn in Notting Hill, and they rented out the downstairs for us. So we had just small sharing plates and copious amount of wine. I'm sort of feeling it today, but it's all good. I had a really good time meeting new people as well, and I didn't take any video of it. I should have, I think it would have been fine because everybody else had their phone out. But it's a dear friend I met on Bumble BFF, actually. That was one of the ways I was able to make new friends in the city, is through Bumble BFF, through social media actually, and some of my classmates, and then my previous roommates, making friends through some of them and their friends as well. It's kind of hard making friends as an adult, but we move, we try, we put in effort, and you gotta really make it happen when you get older. So yeah, I'm 32. I'm about to be 32, excuse me, and I'm learning all of this, learning how to be a new friend all the time. So yeah, we always have to grow. I think we have to progress and advance. Sorry, my this is something so embarrassing to admit, but because my phone is like an older iPhone, I don't have a lot of storage, so I just ran out. Anyway, I don't know what I was saying, but I'm just gonna wrap up the vlog here, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my shorts and my videos as well. So I will see you next weekend. Bye.